Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Just doing this British blue cat. And I am going 4 times the speed here, so a little bit faster than usual. And voicing over. Just want to block that big body in. These cats seem to have a pretty good spread. And we'll start refining a little bit. Some lines in there for the eyes, help place them. And the muzzle. Please drop me a comment and let me know what you want to learn about drawing cats. I love to hear from you. Or even if you just want to tell me about yourself or your cat. It's awesome to hear from you. I think I got them in the right place. Just feeling out where that little nosy needs to go. It looks a little bit crooked. Kind of mucked over the eyes a lot on this one. Learned a lot while I did it. And we're speeding up to 5 times the speed now. Well, I fuss over this drawing, make some repairs, strengthen up the important lines. I think I would do the eyes on this one a little different next time. A little more spontaneous, I think. I wanted to capture that kind of grumpy look. Even though the cat probably isn't grumpy, but sometimes the face looks grumpy. To us humans anyways. There's that paw sticking out at the back. Don't want to forget things like that because they really add some endearment to the drawing. A lot of erasing and correcting. Wanted to get it just right. So how many cats do you have? Tell me about it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Since I did so much fussing over this drawing, I really sped it up at the end, so we're going 20 times the speed now. And you'll watch me make a lot of corrections in high speed. Tried different things, didn't like them, erased, tried something else. It's all part of the learning process. And we'll slow it down a bit to put some whiskers on. Thank you so much for watching today. We'll see you next time.